Hi guys, today we are looking at the Lizzie McGuire ColourPop eyeshadow palette. I'm going to give you a review, swatches, comparisons and a tutorial in this video, so I really hope you enjoy it. This is the look I created with the eyeshadow palette. It is really colourful and I absolutely love it. The hair clips are just from probably when I was in kindergarten, and my forehead I think is too big for this look, but it's fine. So please subscribe if you haven't already and let's get into the video. This eyeshadow palette is full of nostalgia. Obviously it's Lizzie McGuire. I absolutely adore the packaging. It is so cute and delicious. So it's of course going to be on display in my collection. You can see my messy table in the reflection. I really love the color story of this palette. As you can see, it's all sort of separated in rows with the different colors and combinations that you can choose from. I think there's a really good variety of different shadows in here, so you can create really bold and colorful looks, or you can do a couple of neutral looks as well. I love every single shadow in this palette. 100% recommend. I love it. Now we're going to jump into the swatches and comparisons. This is my favorite part. The closest match in my collection is the Sailor Moon palette. Now, it's important to mention that there are a lot of repeat comparisons in the swatches that I'm showing you. So rather than swatching the whole palette, I only swatched the closest shades, and because of that, some are repeated. The Sailor Moon palette is definitely the closest. However, I feel the What Dreams Are Made Of palette is a bit more vibrant, and the Sailor Moon palette is a bit more pastel and a little bit softer. Whereas the Fade Into Hue palette seemed much more vibrant than the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. The Garden Variety palette in comparison to the What Dreams Are Made Of palette is very different, but I thought I would just show you anyway out of interest. Good morning. Today we are finally testing out the Lizzie McGuire What Dreams Are Made Of palette. I am so excited to be playing with this palette right now. I think I want to create a purple and pink type of look. I don't know, let's just jump in and play around, but I am really leaning towards these purples down here. So I'm going to begin by just putting some concealer on my eyelids, as always. I should really try eyeshadow primer. I've never tested it out before. Please comment down below your favorite eye primers, because I really need to test some out. We're just going to jump right into this beautiful purple. It's called Digital Bean, and this is a matte shadow, and we're just going to place this right on the inner corner. It's just perfect.
Feel me? Yeah, see my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining.
I love that color. That looks so good. Now we're going to jump into the shade Outfit Repeater. I just love the names of these shades, and this is a gorgeous, really vibrant pink, and it's got these little shimmers in it. This has to go on my lid. I'm going to place this on the outer corner of the eye.
If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo. Yeah,
I love it already.
Ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. When you on the way, make that move.
I'm also going to slowly sweep it out to the sides here.
Don't get too involved.
Now I'm going to grab a little bit of the shade and I'm just going to gently buff this just a little bit around those edges.
Say it here 'cause you know all my songs. Yeah. But one day they gonna know all my songs. And we can get the chicken wings with like all the sauce. Feel me? Yeah, you plus me, what can't go wrong?
Just to soften it a little bit. Now I'm just going to grab some concealer. I'm going to tap this on the very center of my eyelid. And I'm just going to map out where I'm going to put the shimmer shade. And I want it to be nice and pigmented, so that's why I'm doing the concealer.
In case they didn't know, that's my boo. Yeah, that's boo. Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool.
So now I want to jump right in with the shade Cutie, and I'm going to tap this all over my lid. Oh my gosh, look how good that is. Oh, it looks so good. This shade is everything. That is so cool. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and forth between the couple different shades just to help smooth out that gradient.
I need a break. On breaks. I'm on a wave like Lake Michigan. Cold. She the one, bet she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break. On breaks. I'm on a wave like Lake Michigan.
Now going in with the shade Please, I'm going to tap this just on top of where we put the shade Cutie, just gently, just little taps, little taps.
Happily ever after, no, wrong page, different chapter. She said slow down, then went faster, wait. I might be the realest one that got away. I just talked to God.
Just to give it a little bit of extra sparkle. So now I want to brighten up the inner corner with the shade Outfit Rememberer, and I'm going to tap that just on the inner corner.
I'm on my way up, taking no pay cuts. I need my right hand, should be a lay up.
And slightly overlap it with the purple.
If you can't wait up.
So now I want to clean up the little bits of oversmoke, fix the smoky eye, I don't know. So I'm just going to use some micellar water just to tidy up this little outer wing.
I'm on a wave.
Alright, so I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so my face makeup is completed. Now we're going to do the bottom lash line, and I really can't decide what I want to do. I'm thinking of either going in with the nice deep purple, or do I go in with a bit of green? I just don't know. What would you guys do? I don't know what to pick. Maybe I should do both. Okay, so let's do the purple on the outer part and then the nice little lime green on the inner. Let's see how we go. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Play my songs and they've been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking.
Okay, now I'm just grabbing the shade I'm just going to blend that in.
Love that is not that romantic. Yeah. I don't have no time for no.
I want to be a little bit more extra, so now I'm going to grab the shade Dear Diary. It's this gorgeous lime shimmer shade. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner at the base. Bottom lash line, inner corner. Does that make sense? Yes, that's what it needed. Do you see that difference? What a difference. I love this so much. For the waterline, I'm going to use the cream gel liner in Zulu.
Look like art. Look like art. Shawty, look like.
Oh, that's fun. I like that. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, I'm going to line my top lash line with some liquid eyeliner.
Yeah. Big smile, get it from mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart.
I instantly regret the liner.
Look like art, hot hills. Look like art, on it, look like art, look like art, look like art, look like art. Okay, so I do regret the wing liner, I think, but we're just gonna make it work. Every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be.
Alright, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I also popped some like little hair clips in, you know, for nostalgia reasons, because this is all we used to wear. But I really love the colors of this eyeshadow. I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, I absolutely love it. This palette is incredible. Of course, it performs really well. All ColourPop palettes do. But the color story, the theme, everything is so adorable. These are really fun colors, so don't be scared to play with color. Yeah, I highly recommend it. I'm obsessed, and yeah, it's perfect. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it really interesting and really informative. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hot hills, look like art.